I'm sorry to endure the budget cuts. And I'll have to let you go. Merry Christmas.
I love this job. I love looking after old people. They're such great company. And with all these cuts, there's not going to be enough staff to look after them properly. Their health is going to suffer.
I'm sorry, I've just got to deliver on the budget.
Come on, there must be somebody somewhere who can do something.
Hey yo! I David Cameron! This is how my face go when I this close to poor people. I is David Cameron and I is Primark. People say to me, David Cameron, care home closes, bad news for all these David Cameron. David Cameron, wrinklies cry when carers go bye-bye, David Cameron. David Cameron, you hate elderlings because you have mental age of 5, David Cameron. I say, squash your nice stinky fingers! Big society will save the day. Big society and Big George.
All right. You can still help your people. With a big tech and grave digging, you could be earning minimum wage in just 3 years.
But isn't the shovel a bit small?
All people only need shallow graves.
Oh. Well, thank you, Big George, and thank you, David Cameron.
Big society wins again. I, David Cameron, welcome you!